Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use WhatsApp community feature. Friends, WhatsApp has rolled out a new feature, community. This feature will help us to make a community to send announcements etc. by admin only. So you might be thinking, what's the difference between WhatsApp group and WhatsApp community? In WhatsApp group, we can add maximum 512 members. But on another hand, in WhatsApp community, we can add up to 5,000 members. Also in WhatsApp community, we can add members from already created groups by us and also add direct members. So to create a community, you need to press on this community icon and here you need to press on start your community. Here give a name, give community description, and press on this green button. Now you can add members from your existing groups. Here it will show all groups created by you. Select all the groups and press on this green button. Now press on this green button again. Press on view community. Now friends, as you can see, we have created our community. You can add groups later also by pressing here, or if you want to invite individual members, then you simply need to press here. From here you can send this community link so that members can automatically add in your community group. For that you can copy link or you can share the link by pressing here. Now you can see we have created our community. Now to send message, you simply need to press on your community chat window. Now here you can send message as you send in your WhatsApp group. So friends, like this you can very easily use WhatsApp community feature and can send WhatsApp messages to large number of people. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.